In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Activecampaign to Shopify. To begin, log into your Activecampaign account. Once you are inside the dashboard, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings, which is marked with a gear icon. This is where you can manage account-level options, including the tools needed to connect outside platforms. After the Settings page opens, go to the left sidebar menu and click Integrations. This section is where Activecampaign lets you connect with other services, including e-commerce platforms like Shopify. Taking a moment to familiarize yourself with this area can be helpful, especially if you plan to add more integrations later. Next, find the Add Integration button in the top right corner and click it. This will open the list of available applications that can be connected to your account. From that list, select Shopify. Make sure you choose the correct app so the connection process works properly and your store data can sync as expected. Once Shopify is selected, a pop-up window or modal will appear asking for your Shopify store name. Enter your unique Shopify store name carefully, because this is what Activecampaign uses to locate the correct store. After entering it, click Connect to move forward. At this point, your browser may redirect you to Shopify. If that happens, log into your Shopify account if you are prompted to do so. This is a normal part of the process and allows Shopify to verify that you have permission to install and authorize the connection. When the Shopify installation screen appears, review the permissions being requested. This step is important because it shows what information and actions the Activecampaign app will be allowed to access in your Shopify store. Once you have reviewed everything, click Install App. In some cases, the app name may appear as Activecampaign CX Automation, so if you see that instead, select it and continue with the installation. After that, the connection will begin, and Activecampaign and Shopify will be linked. From there, your integration should be ready for use, depending on your account setup and store status. Take your time during each screen, especially when entering the store name and reviewing permissions, since small mistakes can slow down the connection process. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to complete the setup smoothly. That covers everything you need to know.